Alright, so in this video I am showing the progress I've made in the last few days on my Universe Constructor game. I've restarted the project and I'm doing most of it in C++ programming now, and it's coming together really well so far. I will show you some of the things you can do. For one, there's the new inventory system. This one is similar to the old one, but it has a better interface and things like that. You can click on things and see what they need to make. For crafting, you can search for items, things like that, and when you erase it, it goes back to normal and shows everything again. We've got our inventory, things like this. You can drop items. What else? So, like, I'll drop this one. You'll see we've got 3 logs on the ground. I just dropped 3 of them. Then, let's get to the building. So for building, we've got these categories so far. Foundations. I'll go with this guy, and I will set the grid snap on the z-axis to 25 so that it pops up right here. And now, for this piece, I haven't given it crafting materials yet, so I can just test for testing purposes, so that this one will not, along with a few others, this doesn't require materials to make the building piece, so I can just place it without any limit, like a creative mode kind of thing. However, others, such as this wall right here, actually has requirements. Let me set this back 100. Whoops. And then, so this one requires a few pieces of wood, and I have some. You'll see when I place one. See, I don't think I have enough. That, or it might require metal, I can't remember. Let me see. If I hit Z, I can spawn in items, just to make things easier for development purposes. Yep, that was it. It requires metal. I forgot about that. Let me get some more then. Let me get that out of the way. There you go. And if you press T, you can you can hide the or you can kind of unequip whatever item you have selected, so that you're not building with it anymore. Gets that preview out of the way. So let's go back and select it. Let's just build some walls. Actually, I think that's enough. I'm just going to use that. And let's go back to the foundations. And I'm going to set this back to 200. I'll show you a few other building things I've got going on that are kind of cool. Let's give us a ceiling. And I have added new, this was not in the old version, I've actually added stairs. Now, I had stairs in the old version, but they weren't these kind of stairs. They were like block stairs, like a Minecraft kind of thing. So here's these. I think they work pretty well. Oh yeah, I have a full body character now that I made. So, and now let's add some light, because I have lights. Let's go to here. Here's all of our furniture. We've got our ceiling lights, got our floor lights. Let's go with yeah, let's place some ceiling lights. These require a little bit of metal. Let me see how much I have left. Oh yeah, I got, oh wait, no I don't have that much left. I've got some metal sheets. I've got 3 of those and 11 iron ingots. Not bad. So you can see those add the lights. and the shadows work pretty well. Then, here's the next little bit of next feature. If we go into furniture, you'll notice there's 3 categories for storage. I have successfully made the storage system work so that we have all kinds of different storage types you can use. So I'll go with this coffee table. I'll set this to 0 and 0. Now, let's put you just right there. Actually, let's rotate you around the other way. So the drawer is showing. So you see it's got a drawer on it. Now here is what we can do. If I spawn in a few more items, that works. You'll notice you have your inventory on the left and the container on the right. So if you just click on one of these, it'll transfer that to there, and so on. And if I leave this and then reopen it, you'll notice it's saved. I put the variable in the actual storage classes themselves so that they have their own stored data, which means I can have as many chests or etc. that I need, and they all have their own individual storage. Then if we go to crafting, which I haven't actually shown yet, the iron ingot takes 2 metal sheets. That's how that works. Simple enough. And that is, for the most part, what I've got so far. I'm just gonna add on to this house a little bit. Well, I wouldn't call that a house. I'd call it a failed project. Yeah, let's go with this one. Let's make it a little more freedom based. Let's just do something random like that. That looks interesting. Oh, and I will also show you the light pillar. Almost, how could I have forgotten about that? The light pillar. Let's spawn in some more items. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. Alright. And now, let us get our light pillar. There we go. We've got our light pillar. I like these just because they have a neat style, and so on. Getting a little bit of lag here. I will take that away. There might be some physics. I bet there's some items I spawn that are going a little wild physics-wise. Anyway, that's what I got so far. Hope you liked the video, and I will keep posting more updates as I get further along. Thanks for watching.